Hello, class of 2024. I'm going to help you get started with Khan Academy, hopefully join some of your classes. I'm going to be doing this tutorial twice. So once for the Chromebook or Chrome browser on a normal computer, and then again with iOS. So if you have a Chromebook or a computer running Chrome, then the first video is great, or the first half of this video is great. If you're using iOS, you can either skip ahead a little bit, or you can just kind of watch the Chrome part, and I'll be covering how to do it in iOS in a little bit. Also, I'm going to put up the email addresses for tech support. So if you have any problems or questions, these are the email addresses to send an email to. So it's for your home school next year. So tech support ABS would be if you're going to Shepherd High School. Tech support DDE would be Eisenhower. And tech support HLR would be Richards. If you don't know which school you're going to next year, just email any of them. They'll all be able to help you out. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go to Khan Academy /join. khanacademy.org/. Okay, once you get to this website, you're going to go to the upper right-hand corner. You're going to click Login. Now, the account you got is a Google account. So it's your ID number at chsd218.org is actually a Google account. So you're going to be able to sign into Google. You may be able to sign into anything where it says Continue with Google just through that one email address. So it's your ID number at chsd218.org and the password. So hopefully you've been given what your ID number is and the password to the account the first time at least, so you can reset it. So I'm going to click on Continue with Google. And it's going to take me here, and I'm going to type in mine. Now, mine's a little bit different because I'm a teacher. Right. But once I put in my username and password, it's going to sign me in. Perfect. Okay. So now I can join a class. Now, yours might not look a little bit different. Mine did after I signed in, but you should still see this join a class spot in here. So I'm going to join the class. And there it is. That's all I had to do. So now I am successfully joined. And I can keep doing this for all of your classes. For the iOS portion of the tutorial, so if you're going to be using an iOS device, I would highly recommend downloading the Khan Academy app. This is what it looks like, and it can be found in the App Store. You download and open the Khan Academy app, you're going to see a big blue sign-in button. Click on that and you click Continue with Google. Now it's important here to remember that your Google account is your ID number at chsd218.org. So it doesn't sound like a Google account, doesn't look like a Google account, but it is a Google account. And so you can use it anywhere that you would need to sign into Google or the Continue with Google button that you see. If you hit Continue with Google, please make sure that you actually use the ID number at chsd218 account. Don't sign in with your personal Google account, okay? It's just going to cause a lot of problems. So here I have checked my Google account. I am logging in, and once I get in, you're going to see that I'm back to the normal web page or home page. Tap on the gear in the upper right-hand corner and then Manage Teachers. You'll notice that I have no teachers, so I tap on the blue button to add teachers. And then here's where you can type in your class code to add the classroom. This is a class code that I was given. You might have a very different class code. You probably, hopefully, do have a very different class code. But once I tap the add button, you'll notice that all of a sudden my teacher is now here, and I'm now enrolled in that class. I can do that as many times as I'd like for as many classes as I have. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email those email addresses from the beginning of the video, and good luck. Goodbye.